If you are garden enthusiast like many others, and looking for compact flowering and colorful bushes for your garden, this video is for you. These bushes are highly valued in landscaping and gardening for their space efficiency, visual appeal, and easy care. Let's explore 14 amazing bushes for landscaping needs. Lily of the Valley shrub, also known as Japanese pyrus, is a beautiful evergreen shrub. It is prized for its cascading clusters of bell-shaped flowers and colorful foliage. Small bell-shaped flowers resemble lily of the valley blooms. They appear in early spring in drooping clusters and are usually white, though some varieties have pink or red-tinted flowers. It's a versatile and elegant choice for adding structure and interest to gardens, especially in shaded or woodland settings. The new growth, which emerges in shades of bronze or red in spring, before maturing to green, providing a colorful display of fresh foliage. Blue Shadow Fothergilla is a fantastic choice for gardeners looking for a low-maintenance and attractive shrub with standout foliage and multi-season interest. It is a beautiful deciduous shrub prized for its attractive, powdery blue foliage, fragrant bottlebrush-like flowers, and stunning fall color. This compact variety of Fothergilla is perfect for adding multi-season interest to your garden, especially in shaded or woodland settings. In early spring, before the leaves emerge, this shrub produces clusters of fragrant, white bottlebrush-like flowers. The standout feature of Blue Shadow is its unique, blue-gray foliage. In autumn, the leaves turn vibrant shades of orange, red, and yellow, providing a spectacular fall display. Starry Night Hibiscus. A magnificent hibiscus variety, it produces a mound of very dark foliage, which serves as a dramatic backdrop for its eye-catching blooms. This hibiscus variety produces soft pink flowers, which are quite large, up to 8 inches across, and have contrasting red eyes. Dark burgundy-purple leaves provide striking contrast to the pink flowers. The foliage adds interest even when the plant is not in bloom. This compact hibiscus is perfect choice for smaller beds along with light color background plants, or even perfect choice for container display. There are ample varieties from azaleas family, which are spectacular for landscaping needs. But Coral Bell's azalea is a bit compact version, which is beautiful evergreen azalea variety, known for its vibrant coral-colored blooms and compact growth habit. It typically grows 2 to 4 feet tall and wide, making it perfect for smaller garden spaces. This azalea variety blooms coral pink trumpet-shaped flowers profusely in spring season, later keep small glossy dark green leaves that remain evergreen, providing year-round texture and interest. Hydrangeas are one of most popular bushes for long time. There are lots of varieties, comes in different sizes with different bloom time. I would like mention some compact varieties which are perfect choice for narrow areas of the garden beds. Let's Dance Sky View hydrangea from proven winners, and Summerdale hydrangeas are compact version varieties with continuous blooms from summer to fall. These hydrangeas prefer part shade or part sun, with morning sun being ideal, and grows 2 to 3 feet height and spread. Pruning in spring helps maintain a nice shape and size, and encourages a fuller plant. Shades of Pink Viburnum. With its lovely pink blooms, dense habit, and seasonal color interest, the shades of pink viburnum is a fantastic choice for adding elegance and charm to any garden. Large, lacecap-style clusters of flowers that start as white in spring season, and gradually change to various shades of pink. Blooms appear in late spring to early summer, providing a stunning display. This viburnum adds multi-season interest with its flowers, berries, and fall foliage, making it a standout in any garden. Pugster butterfly bush is a compact and sturdy dwarf butterfly bush, known for its large, fragrant blooms and exceptional hardiness. Unlike traditional butterfly bushes, the Pugster series features a more compact growth habit, while still producing full-sized, showy flower spikes, making it ideal for small gardens. It is known for its large 4 to 6 inch long flower spikes, that come in vibrant colors such as purple, white, and pink depending on the variety. The flowers bloom from summer through fall, providing continuous color and attracting pollinators. Otto Luyken Laurel. It is a versatile compact shrub that is perfect for those looking for year-round greenery and structure in shaded or partially shaded areas. It is a compact, evergreen shrub that is valued for its attractive dark green foliage, fragrant white flowers, and ability to tolerate shade. In spring, the Otto Luyken laurel produces small, fragrant white flowers in upright clusters, and keeps wonderful dark green foliage for the rest of the year. If you feel this video informational, please drop a like to this video for channel encouragement. If you are looking for low-growing bush, with attractive continuous flowers for most of the seasons, you must try Drift Roses Evergreen. Drift roses are a popular series of ground cover roses, known for their compact size, low maintenance care, and continuous blooming throughout the growing season. It produces continuous blooms in clusters, from spring through fall, offering a prolific display of color. The flowers come in various colors depending on the variety, including pink, red, and white. Bridal Wreath Spirea. One of the fast-growing Spirea bush, also known as Spirea prunifolia plana, is a stunning deciduous shrub, known for its graceful cascading branches, and wonderful display of spring flowers. In spring season, Bridal Wreath Spirea is covered in masses of small, double white flowers cover the long arching stems, displaying a wonderful cascading effect. It is one of the most popular Spirea varieties, due to its elegant appearance, easy care, and multi-season interest. Moonlit Lace Viburnum. It is a versatile and attractive choice, for anyone looking to add year-round beauty to their garden, with minimal upkeep. The Moonlit Lace Viburnum presents vanilla white clusters of flowers in spring, paired with rich dark green glossy foliage, held on deep burgundy stems, which gives this one beautiful contrast. Wine and Roses Weigela. It is an excellent choice, if you're looking for a shrub that offers both showy flowers and colorful foliage for most of the year. In late spring to early summer, this weigela produces abundant, bright rosy pink tubular flowers. The blooms contrast beautifully with the dark foliage and are known to attract. The dark burgundy purple foliage provides dramatic contrast in the garden, even when the plant isn't in bloom. It grows 4 to 5 feet tall and spread at mature size, and it prefers full sun exposure for its growth and foliage. Reblooming lilacs. Like the Bloomerang series, these are perfect for anyone who loves lilacs, but wants more flowers throughout the year. It produces abundant clusters of lavender or pink flowers in mid to late spring season, similar to traditional lilacs. And after the first flush of blooms, the shrub takes a short rest, and then reblooms sporadically throughout the summer and into early fall. Rhododendron Roseum Elegans. It is a stunning pinkish-purple flowering shrub that is popular for its beautiful blooms and evergreen foliage. This hybrid variety of rhododendron is known for its hardy nature and ability to thrive in a variety of growing conditions, including partial shade and acidic soils. It typically flowers in mid to late spring, producing large clusters of showy flowers that attract bees, butterflies, and other pollinators to the garden, and maintain the wonderful foliage for the rest of the seasons of the year. I hope the content of this video is informative for you. Please do not forget to drop a like to this video for channel support. For most interesting garden video, please subscribe to House Talks channel.